Hi guys, today we got some more details about the materials of the S22 series. We also got price confirmation and more updates about the Exynos 2200. But before we get into that, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So on last year's S21 series, Samsung built the base S21 with a plastic back. And although they tried to pass it as a premium material called Glastic, which is a mixture of glass and plastic, it doesn't feel as cheap as plastic, but it's not as premium as glass either. Coming to the S22 series, early rumors suggested Samsung was also going to use it on the S22 and S22 Plus, which is greatly going to undermine the idea of a flagship. But thank goodness that's not going to be the case. According to AQ, Samsung is going to use the next generation Gorilla Glass protection, the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. It's going to be on the front and back of the device and will provide 12.5% better protection than the Gorilla Glass Victus on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. And unlike the S21 series, this protection won't be limited to the Plus and Ultra models. It's gonna be available to all three variants of the S22 series. So the base S22 will be just as durable as the S22 Ultra. Samsung is also gonna use an improved aluminum frame that will be 10% stronger than the one on the S21 series. For the prices, all three variants are gonna be $100 more expensive than their predecessor. So the base S22 will start at $899, the S22 Plus at $999, and the S22 Ultra at $1299. Moving on to the Exynos 2200, Samsung might still use the Exynos 2200 on some variants of the S22 series. And I know, I previously said Samsung could possibly use only the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 on all S22 variants, but that was because Samsung didn't show up for the Exynos 2200 launch event it said on the 11th of January, and rumors about the AMD GPU performing terribly. Despite those issues, Samsung is still working to optimize the Exynos 2200, and we have some new benchmark leaks that shows the CPU might not be too bad after all. The Geekbench leak shows the correct 134 cluster and it shows the right clock speed for each cluster. The single and multi-core score are actually pretty good for a prototype device powered by an unreleased processor. Now, this isn't confirmation that Samsung is still gonna use the Exynos 2200, but if they're still testing it, then they might still use it, because the report from South Korean media says Samsung wants to launch the Exynos 2200 on the same day as the Galaxy S22 series, so we might still see some S22 devices powered by the Exynos 2200 after all. Let me know in the comment section if you would buy an S22 device powered by the Exynos 2200. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for daily tech updates. That's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.